Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First off, I want to thank everyone that subscribed to my channel and supports me and keep watching my videos. Also, on my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoy the rest of the content. Also, anyone watching, y'all gotta be quiet! Excuse me. Anyways, anyone that's watching for the first time, you know what to do. Just click that notification bell right there and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, you can follow me on my Instagram at XOXO_Mochaccino. And you can also subscribe to me, my best friend's podcast, the Pussy Chronicles. So anyways, this video, this is actually my first collaboration that I'm doing. I never did a collab before. Yay, yay, yay. The Pisces collaboration, because y'all know it's Pisces season. Y'all know we gotta go out with a bang. I know everyone that's watching this video right now, y'all know a Pisces. Y'all know this is our season and we're turning up. We're going crazy. I know y'all cannot stop hearing Pisces, 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 because we the shit. Anyways, I'm doing this collab with my girl, Let's Begin. Oh my God, another fellow Pisces. Hey boo, happy belated birthday. Yo, child, this girl. She was like, hey, let's do a Pisces collabo. Okay, cool. But we're going to do, you know, pastel, aqua, different color hair. And I'm like, because y'all know, don't get me wrong, I wear the reddest of the brightest of the red, the brightest of the blondes and browns, and maybe a copper here or then. But y'all know how I am about color hair like this, because I get kind of nervous, like, I don't know, it may not look right on me, because remember that video that I did right here with the green, and I hated it. I may leave the link in the bio. Also, I'm going to leave Let's Begin's link in the bio as well. Here's a picture of her. Shout outs to her. Pisces, you know, Team Pisces. So, like I was saying, first of all, I'm like, ooh, I don't know. She's really getting out she's making me get out of my comfort zone. Oh my God. But I'm glad that she did, because I am loving this. Like, I thought I would never rock anything like this, and I am so in love. A system finally learned how to melt this lace, because girl, melting laces and shit is usually not my forte. I get frustrated, and I think I kind of mastered it a little bit. It was already kind of pre-plucked, but I did just a little bit more plucking, not too much. Anyway, I got this hair from Amazon Prime. I'm gonna leave the link and everything in the bio. I believe I only spent, it was $35 on Prime. I believe the brand is called Leeven, I believe, but I'm gonna leave all of that all around. So, see my annoying daughter and nephew in the background making noise. Shut up! Thank you. So, without further ado, here is the tutorial of this wig, and I will be right back. Bye.
Oh, damn, girl. Tutorial time. So, I'm just basically measuring the wig, making sure I get that perfect cut. And I also tweezed it a little bit, cut around the ears. I'm using a Got to Be spray. I did this method about 3 times. I sprayed, blow dry, sprayed, blow dry, sprayed, blow dry. So I've been watching these YouTube tutorials on how to put on these frontal wigs, because like I said, I usually suck at these, but I am trying to follow all the steps of the videos that I've seen. And oh yeah, I kind of cut myself there too, but yeah, I ain't peeped that, which is good. Okay, so I'm gonna tie a scarf around the edges. Hopefully this melting process will begin. And while I'm letting that lace melt, I'm gonna just do a middle part, and I'm gonna tweeze the middle to make the part look more realistic, because I can't stand no fake ass looking part. I'm sorry, I can't do it. And I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to wipe the remainder of the Got to Be off my forehead. So when I put that makeup on, you won't see that nasty Got to Be residue. And I'm going to put some hair mousse on top of it so I can start blending and making my wig a little bit flatter. And I also use the hot comb as well. Yo, y'all cannot tell me this lace is not melting in my motherfucking scalp. And I know I gotta stop cursing a lot, but I'm so proud of myself because I usually suck at this. And I'm going to use some concealer that kind of matches my skin tone and put it in the part. And I'm going to put it around the edges of my lace so it can really look like it's like coming from my scalp and it's really OD melted. Boom, bitch. Like, y'all can't tell me this shit don't look bomb. And voila on you hoes. Just kidding, but this is the final look. I'm loving the middle part. I did a side part, but I didn't care for the side part. But yes, this is bomb. I'm really feeling it. I am definitely gonna wear this hair when I go out somewhere. Ooh, I feel like a whole different person.
Okay, you guys, so this is, well, I think my lash is coming off. Probably is. Okay, so you guys, this is one of my last final looks. Most likely I'm gonna wear the other way because I like the other way better. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio to where to purchase this hair. This hair was $35. I'm not gonna lie to you, it don't really shed a lot, but it does tangle. It's not like a crazy tangle, but it tangles. Where's my brush? See, now I can't find my brush. Oh, here it go. But yeah, it tangles. I gotta, you know, keep brushing it. It's like 24 inches and I'm like 5'7", 5'8", so it comes like right below my boobs. Yeah, I'm kind of tall. The short girls will probably come down to the middle of their back. Not me, unfortunately. I have to get longer hair. But yeah, this is the look. I really like it. This is really out of my comfort zone, but I'm definitely gonna rock this. I know I'm gonna rock this when I go to Vegas, because I'm not gonna rock it at work like that, because you know how people are at work. Yo, I'm still recording. So I'm definitely gonna wear this to Vegas. I really like it, but I like the middle part better, so I'm gonna put it back to the middle part if I can find the middle part. Oh god. Yeah, I like the middle part way better. But girl, look how I melt this motherfucking lace. Like, I never, like. So yeah, you guys, I'm really feeling this wig. Also, make sure you subscribe to Let's Begin YouTube page. I'm also going to leave the link on in the description, so you can click on her page for the Pisces collaboration. Again, thank you. Pisces season, we out. Bye.